Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the Interclass Group PB060312 16-inch by 3-inch by 12-inch plastic food bag. It comes in a pack of 1,000. It's 0.68 meals, and the capacity is around 2 quarts. So anyway, I like to do videos just to show you the items in action. So what I have here are some neon unwrapped straws, and right now it's in a nice little box, but I've noticed that as I use it and I open and close it, the box gets beat up. So what can be very convenient is instead of just keeping them inside of the box, and then if it, for example, like if it spills over, the box drops, huge mess. To avoid all that, I like to just go ahead and put it on inside of the bags, and it makes it so I can easily have it, and it just works out great this way. And if the bag drops, no big deal, it's fine. So I'll go ahead and take all the straws out, and it just works perfectly. And then all I have to do then is just close it on up, and you can easily just use a twist tie and just have it inside of here, and it's ready to go. Thank you so much for watching.